In today's video, I will walk you through how to change chart types on investing.com. How you visualize price action can completely change your trading strategy. While a basic line chart is great for a quick macro glance, deeper technical analysis often requires candlesticks, bars, or area charts. Let's walk through how to quickly switch between different chart types on the platform. First, navigate to any asset page. Once you are inside the chart interface, look at the top horizontal menu bar just above the price action. You will see options like General, Chart, News and Analysis, Technical, Forum. Hover over Chart option and click Interactive Chart. From here, you will see an icon representing the current chart style, often shown as a line or a set of candles. Click that icon to open the Chart Style drop-down menu. Here are the most popular options you will see and when to use them. Line chart connects closing prices over time. It strips out intraday noise, making it ideal for tracking clean, long-term trends. Candlestick chart, the gold standard for traders. Each candle shows the open, high, low, and closing prices for that period, color-coded to show bullish or bearish momentum. Area chart, a line chart with the space beneath it shaded in, providing a visually striking way to view portfolio growth or macro index movements, and many more. Simply click on any option in the drop-down menu, and your main screen will instantly update to reflect that new visual format. After changing the chart type, you can continue using other chart tools, such as adjusting the time frame, zooming in and out, adding technical indicators, or drawing trend lines. These features work together to help you analyze market activity more effectively. And that's it. That's how to change chart types on investing.com. As you can see, switching between different chart styles is quick and gives you another way to analyze market movements using the visual format that works best for you.